There's a lot of cars coming. Thank you. So this is Garlic Lane. So if you want to find Miss Debbie's Kmart, down that alleyway. I'm not going to go there because I don't like it. Hello. No thank you. No thank you. So a lot of it's just the same. So it's the RA shop. Hello. I have to tell my wife that you're here.
Yeah.
Because it's I see this question on Facebook all the time, like where can the ladies get larger sizes? So
This way.
yeah, so here's
Darai shop.
so Dare shop on Garlic Lane. If you're looking for larger sizes, ladies,
This way.
come right here and say hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Thank you. I'll tell my wife to come down and have a look. Oh, tell that. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So this is a shop that we always go to, or we've been to the last couple of times. Bali Gong Music. So just opposite the restaurant there, just opposite the Circle K. You see Chubby Rabbit just up there a little bit further. So lots of these picture places around. The jewelry shop that says it's fixed price, but I don't know. We've been in enough places like that. Now we like this place for. We've been here a couple of times. Really nice wood-fired wood oven pizzas. There you go. So all these things are up because of the position of the sun. Alright, we're going to go down here because there's one shop down here that everybody raves about, which is called Sabrina's. So we'll go check it out. Oh, looks like James Collection has moved. They were on Garlic Lane there, and now down this alleyway. It looks like where they were on Garlic Lane there's construction going on. So he's got a lot smaller shop than he previously had. So yeah, a lot smaller range of stuff too, because he used to have heaps and heaps of clothes and bags and shoes. So yeah, down here we've got two reasonable shops. So Make My Day shop and Sabrina's. Alright, we'll go have a look. Alright, so Sabrina's. Shoe price was about the same as everybody else, so their Jordan 4s were a bit cheaper than anybody else. At 500,000 on the shelf. Make my day. Been in there before, bought a couple of things, but his prices have gone nuts. I mean, they were asking 60 Australian dollars for basketball tops. And I was like, no way, dude. Alright, we'll keep walking down Garlic Lane. Garlic Lane. A bit disappointed with James' collection. He's just sitting there on his phone, didn't even acknowledge me.
Gas.
No one else in the store.
Pertama full. Besoknya sudah habis katanya, nggak ada di buang kemana.
Alright. No thank you. Alright. To find the shoe shop we went to the other night. We'll try and cross the road. Can't think where the shoe shop is, just more of the tourist stuff there. It was on this side of the road.
Imagine your charges the bus. Hello.
Hello. How are you going? Almost to the end of Garlic Lane. You can see it's not much different from any of the other streets. But yeah, I've been really looking for NBL tops, so if anyone knows where there might be some NBL tops, reach out and let us know. Yeah, so here's the end of Garlic Lane, just coming up to Jalan Sahadewa. So there you go, now you know what it looks like. We're going to sign off now, so take care, safe travels, and hopefully we'll see you next time.